Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 118 scale video. Today we have this very rough shaped box in front of us, which I accidentally put in the wrong position. This is the AUTOART Performance Saleen Mustang S281. So this is based off of the 2001, I think it's, or 2001 and 2005 Mustang. Not fully, I don't remember really. I just remember that this Mustang's basic version used to be for sale in my country, and I really did want it. And for the price amount it was going back then, now that will be a steal. Back then it wasn't that much of a steal, but it was a car I really wanted when I was a kid, and now, when I'm adult, I still can't afford it. I could, but I have nowhere to keep it. That's the problem. I don't have a house. I have an apartment, so on the streets, not really. No, thank you. So let's just get it out of the box and have a closer look. This is from my personal collection, of course. I remember distinctly that this one had a very plastic doesn't really want to let the car out. Okay, there it goes. So this comes in this like frame plastic, so it's much sturdier and safer for the car if you're transporting it or whatever. Getting off the base safely is another thing. So we should have 4 screws. I don't know where the third one, like the fourth one's missing. So let me unscrew this and I'll be right back. Okay, I have gotten the car off the base. Like I said, it was pretty difficult, even off camera, because of that frame and everything. As you can see, the model is a roller, so it's not. I don't actually have any 118 scales which don't roll. I used to have one. That one got sold because of the case it didn't roll, because it just don't like static stuff. I can do here and there a slight exception when it comes like to 64 for the smaller scale cars, and yeah, that's mainly it. Everything else for me is like, if it came out of the package not rolling, I can sort of maybe fix that on my own or something like that, so because I know that's an error or something. But yeah, okay. Let's talk about the model. So as you can see, it is pretty highly detailed, and the tail, I mean not taillights, but the front, we have like I think these are turning signals, because turning signals are actually there, sorry. So these probably are the high beams, very small ones though, so they're inserted. You have the inserted front headlights with extra glass in front of them. Have very nice detailed wheels, actually very good, very well detailed. As you can see the brake disc in there, it's also rotating with the wheel, and the brake is standing still, of course, as it should be. You have front steering, which is pretty wide steering, and it's actually, if you turn it stays turned. There are some models which just don't want to keep their wheels turning. I mean, this one has all opening parts, so doors, front, back. Has no suspension, but it does, as you can see, has all the goodies in there. You can even see the suspension in the back there. Let's go for the base deets. So you have your red sway bars for the front. You can see the entire system of the turning, exhaust system, gearbox, engine in there, of course. I don't know what these are supposed to be. Yeah, the gas tank is in there. The spare wheel, you can see that it's in there. You got sway bars for the back also. It's weird how they're like going from one side to here, not they're fully like done, but it's still very detailed. You can even see red suspension in there. Like I said, this thing doesn't have suspension. It sort of does and doesn't. So but it doesn't. It doesn't, it doesn't, but it doesn't, if that makes sense. Here's a detail for the back. Inserted details for everything. Spoiler is plastic. It's a separate piece, of course. The back open, you have on the inside that textured, like soft material. Can't really show it off that much, but it is in there. Shuts perfectly well. You have glass in the windows on both sides, so opening the doors you have to actually grab it by the handle and open it this way, so you can see the interior. Steering wheel does turn. You have also the same soft texture going around the sides here and on where the feet would be placed. The door innards are matte. The front seats are fixed, at least the driver's seat is fixed. I'm not actually sure if the other one is or not. We can easily check that, because I don't remember. It's been a while since I've gotten this car out of the box. And no, it does not. It's all fixed in there. But yeah, there is a back seat in the back. As you can see, here's the soft material in there. So that's that. Then we turn it around for the front. And there should be, yes there is. So the hood, when you open it, I'll actually put it down. There's a little metal rod on the side, which when you bring it up, you can make it hold the hood up. As you can see, it's very tiny, very fragile. And we'll go for a closer look. Oh, okay. I was afraid that might happen. But yeah, okay, now it's in the right hole it wasn't previously. So there's your engine details. Looking pretty crazy. It is an AUTOART. Well, I keep saying AUTOART for everything. But it's very, very good details and everything. So let's just let that go down and close the hood. It is metal, of course. It is a metal die-cast body, so it is quite heavy and it is quite big for what it is in any case. So it is a muscle car. So yeah, that's all I can say about this. If you have any questions, you can ask. If not, tell me your thoughts, and I'll leave at that, and hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.